mountains water bodies, or terrain precision projection, adaptable to various scenarios, multifunctional for stage thrower monoceros HT4. In remote field operations, work sites are dispersed, facing logistics challenges and delivery delays. The HT4 integrates amplification, projection, and alert functions into one system, redefining workflows through modular design. The product supports 3 control methods, which are aircraft, handheld remote controller, and airborne buttons. The amplifier module enables motorized tilt from +30 to -60. Leave on, set broadcasting. 120 decibels amplified projection ensures precise coverage, guaranteeing operational safety. 4-stage throwing unit design supports ordered, meets single-pass multi-location delivery needs with one-touch full payload release capability, precision delivery, exponential efficiency. The quick-release limit baffle system prevents payload oscillation during flight. HT4 is equipped with integrated high-intensity alert beacon, 300 meters visible range, providing clear navigational markers for nighttime rescues. Life rings and medical kits achieve precision landing across diverse terrains. Where no access exists, delivery is achieved.